I'm Jim Miller, corporate chef for Cres Cor. We're here at the Cres Cor William R. Baggett Hospitality and Conference Center. We're going to take a look at cooking with our QuikTherm ovens today, and we'll also get into some roast and hold ovens and hopefully smoking, different things down the road. But this is the first in a series of videos that we're going to do for you. Never hesitate to call if you have any questions. Okay, we're going to take a look at doing some oven-baked, oven-roasted, oven-fried French fries. Okay, in setting up the unit for it, the power's on, and what we'll do is push the cook button, make sure we set the temperature at 350, and we're doing this without humidity, of course, because we want the extra browning, so we leave that off. We push to set the 350. The whole temperature, we won't be holding them in there very long, if at all. We'll just set it at 145. The time for the French fries, I'm going to set it for 30 minutes. Push to set. It's going to preheat now. The other thing I want to make sure I do for the French fries is there's another button right here that's called the for the high or low air speed. Most everything we've done, you're going to cook 85%, 90% of everything on low, or 4 fans. We're going to push it on high. Here what we get is 6 fans pushing the air, so we get that additional browning on that French fry and potato. If you're doing tater tots, any really moist products like that, you'll want to use that high air speed. You don't want to use that on your breakfast sandwiches, items like that. In that case, 4 is plenty. All right, so when this gets up to temperature, we're going to load the French fries. Okay, let's just do some preliminary work setting up the pans for French fries. We'll do some delicious brown oven roasted fries. Typically we look at doing at least anywhere from 1.5 pounds, 1.5 pounds French fries per sheet tray. The important thing is not to have these French fries lying on top of one another like this in a pile. They really need to be loaded down. And again, I'm putting these on baking paper right now. You can also use perforated sheet trays with a perforated pan and no paper. There's actually manufacturers that make an anodized pan that does a beautiful job on browning up the oven French fries. For some reason, it's like baking cookies at home with your grandmother. Those nice dark pans always do a nice job of browning and extra crisping. So we're actually going to cook these in the QuikTherm oven. We'll use a high fan speed. We haven't talked about that on the other foods because most of the foods that you're doing, you'll typically use the normal 4 fans. For these French fries, I'll show you. We'll set them up to cook with all 6 fans running, and we want a lot of airflow across the surface of these French fries. So these are ready to go. Okay, now that the oven's telling us push start, that means it's ready, it's up to temperature, so let's load our French fries. We've got those beautiful fries that we panned up a little while ago. What we want to do is just push start, so the oven will take it from there. We've got it set for 30 minutes at 350 on a high fan speed for those French fries. Typically, you'll load more fries than the 3 pans I just did. You can load up to 12 sheet trays of fries, and again, there's about 1.5, at the most 2 pounds of French fries per sheet tray. So I'll give you an idea of portions that the unit can produce in 30 to 40 minutes. Anytime now, the oven should go into the hold cycle from the cooking, so we can pull out our French fries, and there it is now. All right, hold on, let's take a look at our French fries. Yes. Nice golden brown as they slide down on the tray, but beautiful, crisp on the outside, fluffy on the inside. If you see the low water switch illuminated, it's like, oops, I need to add a little bit of water to the control. That's all that means. It's not going to hurt anything. So just simply get another pitcher of water and you can add it to the water tank down below. Here we have the humidity water tank for the QuikTherm oven. Simply remove the cover. You'll see the heating element down below that'll heat the water. And there's also 2 float valves. Just fill it with 4 gallons of water. Replace the top. And you're ready to go. In draining to clean out the water tank in the bottom of the unit, you can slide the oven over a floor drain in the kitchen, long as one is available. If not, you can also take a 12 by 20 pan, slide it beneath the unit itself, and then do the same process. Just pull that green handle toward the front. That'll open the front drain valve, and you can get the water out of the unit for cleaning and sanitizing. Tool. We do have a guideline for you that's set up for retherming most of the normal foods that are used in every school food service operation. So you can find these online at our website at CresCor.com, or simply reach out to us, send us a note, and we'd be more than happy to send you some laminated ones to put on your ovens till your people get acclimated to the oven itself. Okay, well, we just wanted to thank you for taking the time to learn a bit more about the QuikTherm oven from Cres Cor. And we will continue to do different food items and different things to help you along. If you see something that you're curious about, please get in touch with us. You can reach us on the 800 number or at the website at CresCor.com. And we thank you for your patronage and all your support. Have a great day.